Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's a beautiful day. My name is Mark Kevin Reyes. You can call me Mark for short. I am a sugar artist and a sugar craft instructor based here in Manila, Philippines. And for today, we are on the fourth video 4 of the series of the class that I've been releasing here on YouTube, which is the creation of the Ikebana style floral arrangement cake. And for today, I'm going to share with you how to create the Dracaena or Chinese bamboo leaves in a very easy and fast technique. So I know you're excited. I'm also excited. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you're new to my channel. And this is where I do anything and everything creative. So without further ado, let's start. Hi guys, okay, so now I'll be sharing with you how to create the Chinese bamboo leaves, which is actually very common. You see them on stores, you see them on garden shops, and you also see them almost everywhere. So here I'm going to show you the technique on how I do it. So we're using Maco paste, okay, dab some cornstarch, and then we have to roll our paste, okay. So for this one, I use one of the largest cutter in the rose petal cutter, which is this one. Okay, and then what I do, I cut it. Okay, you can actually create a more larger leaf than this one. Okay. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'll use my scissors to actually cut it straight, just like that. So with just one cutter, you already get 2 leaves, okay? So what you want to do next is you want to manipulate the shape, okay? So how you do that? You just pinch, 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 and move until it becomes like this. And then we insert our wire. I'm using wire number 24, color green, okay? Up until here, almost half of the center. Okay, and then after that, using my rolling pin, dab some cornstarch, okay? And then just roll it flat from the center going outer, okay? Until it's quite long. And then after that, you just need to fold it a little bit and then just do some movements and just have to let this dry. So you can let this dry on a spoon or on a foam drying rack, normally used for florals, okay? And then after that, I'm going to show you how to color this using an airbrush. Hi guys, okay, so now we're going to color our Dracaena leaves, or actually this is the Chinese bamboo leaves that we made earlier. So it's already dry. You see that it's really hard. So again, we're using an airbrush. So we'll be using 2 colors only, yellow and then green. Okay, so we have to create a very light shade of yellow-green for the leaves. Okay, so to start off, turn on your airbrush. Okay, so I'll be first putting in yellow. Okay, you see that? We have here yellow. And then I'm going to add very little green. Okay. Okay, and then let it bubble to mix the colors and then test it out. You see that's a very lighter shade of green. If you're not yet satisfied, you can actually go and add some more green. Okay, but I'm happy with this color. So what I'm going to do, I'll spray first from afar. Okay, the bottom parts. See that? And then also a little bit on top. Okay, so this is how it should look like. And then another one from the bottom. Slowly I twist. Okay, and then from the upper part. Okay, and then also, as you have noticed, I'm doing this near the sink so that it's easier for me to clean afterwards. Okay, so just repeat the process, and then you have to let this dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, we'll add our stripes using a darker shade of green. See that? It's very easy and fast. It saves a lot of time, especially if you do have a lot of cake orders next to one another. So this is how I deal with my flowers. Okay? And my leaves. And my fruits also. So there you have it. So just continue on spraying until you're finished. And then once it's all dry, we will add our darker stripes. Okay? See that? It's very, very nice and pretty. Hi guys, so now we're going to finish the detailing of our Chinese bamboo leaves, or this is also known as dracaena. So earlier we airbrushed it. So now what I have here is green with a little bit of black. So as you see, it's very dark. And then what I'm using is, it has gin or vodka, by the way. That's why it's like watercolor wash. And then I'm going to use a flat brush. So this is how we add some detailing. So first we need to get very small amount of the paint. Okay, and then we're gonna use just the end part of the brush. Starting from one end, you need to slide going up like that, and then another. Just like so, okay? Sometimes broken lines looks better for this plant, and also the back part. Just like that. So just need to do this on all the leaves. Again, I repeat. Okay, and that, as easy as that. Okay, see that? And then it's actually very, very pretty to be placed on your cakes and also as part of your floral arrangement. See that? So normally it's shiny, but once it dries, it's gonna be matte. Okay, see that? So that's how you do it. This is our Chinese bamboo leaves. Okay, so that's all. I hope you learned a lot. So you need to let this dry for about 10 minutes. And then after that, it's good and ready to use.